Hey, this is Colton with Central Alps out of Arlington. We're the premier off-road custom shop out of the DFW area, if you did not know us already from our other videos. Today we got a 2021 GMC Sierra elevation package right in front of us. Let's take a look at exactly what we did to customize this vehicle. So we put a 4-inch BDS lift kit paired with some 35, 50, 20 Venom power Terra Hunter tires, as well as some black Rhino Kaizen 20x9.5 with a -18 offset to push it out a hair. Nothing too crazy. That's all we did to this truck. It looks great. If you were curious as to if they fit, you can go check out our Will It Fit video and see if these 35s paired with this specific wheel combination fit on this 2021 GMC Sierra with the 4-inch lift. If you want your truck to look like this, you can reach out to one of our design consultants at 833-268-2577, and one of us will be right with you to get your dream build started today.